there was an old method, which is still relevant today, is checking the size of each note, so they get progressively bigger as you go up in value of each note. So a £10 note, for example, is bigger than a £5 note. A £20 note is bigger than a 10. You can still use that today. That's still perfectly reasonable to use. However, the new notes that were released recently, the ones that feel like plastic and they're kind of smooth, have another feature. So this one here is a 5, and I know that because it's the smallest of all the notes.
Can you hold it up? That's it.
It's the smallest of all the notes, and there's no dots on them. The 5s, the new ones, it's all you can get now, will always have no dots. That's a 5. This is a 10, because again that's bigger, and in this corner here there are lots of dots, and that tells you that it's a £10 note, and it's obviously bigger as well, and that's a 10. This is a 20, and that is paper at the moment because they haven't issued, at the time of filming, at the minute, they haven't issued the new £20 notes, but it will feel just like the 10 and the 5, but it will have one dot on, one lot of dots instead of 2. But at the minute this is just a paper, so this is the only one. And the 50, there is a £50 note as well. That, for the foreseeable future at the minute, will always be paper, because they, not long ago, just redid it. And the 50 is very large compared to these. Overseas, again, Canada has the same system with the dots. It just goes up in value, the amount of dots, so one dot would be like a $5 bill, 2 dots 10, 3 dots 20, 4 dots 50, 5 dots 100, and so on. And it goes up to 100. The one where you struggle is the United States, because there is absolutely no difference. There's no dots. Every single note is the same size. There is no difference. So you have to, if you're going to get shortchanged anywhere, it's going to be the US, from my experience, because the notes are all the same size. So there you have to rely on apps, currency detection apps, that can tell you what the note is, or ask someone in a shop or a hotel or wherever you are.